Super easy chicken pot pie. Can of VegAll, 2 cans of chicken breasts, 2 cans of cream of chicken, some pie crust, some frozen corn, maybe some green chili. Preheat to 375. Start adding in all those good ingredients. Again, you got a can of VegAll, 2 cans of chicken breasts, drained, you're going to want 2 cans of cream of chicken. I like green chili. You may not want that. Spices it up just a little bit. A couple tablespoons of that would be fine. Then add some frozen corn, maybe a cup. Canned corn will work, drained, or fresh corn if you have. Now you're going to want to prep your pan with a little bit of cooking spray. We've already unrolled some frozen pie crusts. Lay those in the bottom of your pan. Just one. Now, you're going to want to pour in the ingredients that you've stirred well to break up those chicken breast chunks. Then you're going to take that other pie crust and you're going to lay it out over the top, pat it down. It's ready for the oven. 375 degrees. Take you about an hour. Pop it in. You're going to be ready for a really, really good chicken pot pie. Look at that. It's hot. It's got that wonderful brown crust on it. Absolutely delicious. This will feed about 4 or 5 people easily. There's the first bite. That did not last long. Hope you enjoy the chicken pot pie. Now for some dessert.